Good morning, students. Let us continue the topic Ranga's marriage. Lines begin from here. Shastri was at the well when I went there that evening. I said, "So, Shastri Gill, you repeated everything I had taught you without giving rise to any suspicion. What a marvelous Shastra yours is." He didn't like it at all. "What are you saying? What you said to me was what I could have found out myself from that Shastras. Don't forget, I developed on the hints you had given me. Tell me, is this what a decent man says?" Meaning, marvelous means here causing great wonder or extraordinary. Explanation of the above passage is Shyama went to see Shastri that evening when he was near the well and remarked about how well he did what Shyama told him to. Shastri seemed to not like what the narrator was saying. Thus, he says that whatever he said could very clearly be seen in the Shastras. He completely disagreed with having staged the entire conversation. Further lines from the textbook are Rangappa had come the other day to invite me for dinner. What's the occasion? I asked. It's Shyama's birthday. He is 3. He's 3 means that he is of 3 years old. It's not a nice name, Shyama, I said. I'm like a dark piece of oil cake. Why did you have to give that golden child of yours such a name? What a childless couple you are, Ratna and you. I know. It is the English custom of naming the child after someone you like. Your wife is 8 months pregnant now. Who is there to help you, mother, to cook? My sister has come with her. I went there for dinner. Shyama rushed to me when I walked in, put his arms around my legs. I kissed him on his cheek and placed a ring on his tiny little finger. Further explanation of the above passage is now the narrator takes us a few years forward where Ranga and Ratna are happily married and had a 3-year-old son, and Ratna was 8 months pregnant. Ranga's sister had come over to help them. It was Shyama's birthday. Yes, the couple named their son after the narrator as it is a custom or it is a common foreign tradition to name your child after someone you truly admire. When the narrator went there for dinner, Shyama came running to him only to show his love by holding his leg. The narrator kissed him and gave him a ring. Further lines are allow me to take leave of you, reader. I am always here ready to serve you. You were not bored, I hope. So, explanation of these lines is the narrator writes an ending note to all the readers, hoping that they were not bored. So, this is the chapter. This is the end of the chapter. Thank you, students.